Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report, chart appraisal on Tuesday the 14th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. I'm going to look at gold now, and this gold chart is beginning to put pressure to the downside. I still think it's trading in a range pretty much. I still think it's more of a sideways play. We've had this sort of ranging period in the last few days really, but it's now putting pressure back on this support 191. Now yes, I think we've had this initial poke below that at 189.50 area before an intraday rally. Let me just show you that on the chart here. This is that initial move to the downside, and it's now starting to put pressure back again on that level as we speak. So that support is under threat today, but I still think whilst we're above this 1178 figure level, I still think it's fairly neutral in terms of outlook and medium term, because looking at all these indicators pretty much across the board are fairly flat. Moving averages basically flat or neutral. Momentum indicators, I mean the RSI has fallen away a little bit, but MACD lines basically neutral, and the stochastics as well sort of around neutral. So it's sort of, as I said, taking on a bit more of a neutral outlook in the last few days, and to be honest, as I said, if this support doesn't get broken necessarily today, then I think that could sort of add to that whole element of sideways trading on the gold price. But certainly whilst we're trading above 78 and below 1224, I take that as a bit of a range period for gold. So this is the outlook in the last couple of days. Really, you just slightly moved away to the downside, but yes, and the support is under pressure. So you would be looking out for perhaps a sort of a decisive breach of that 91 support. And if you do see that, then yes, that reopens the 1178 level, at which point you'd start to sort of question perhaps the range. But at the moment, as I said, trading in a range, you've actually got the RSI now back around that 30 level, just under 30 at the moment, but still around that 30 level. So this is the point at which the rallies have tend to come through. We had one a few days ago that happened just under 30 on the RSI. So it's very interesting that this is happening just at this point of support. So this is a big test now, actually, in this range. And if you do break that level, you're possibly coming back towards that 78 level. But at the moment, we're still holding on just, and it'd be interesting to see if it breaks. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow now. Thank you.